Welcome to my channel Astra Kids. Today we learn about bird's name. Parrot. This is a parrot. Crow. This is a crow. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. Duck. This is a duck. Eagle. This is a eagle. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Peacock. This is a peacock. Hen. This is a hen. Woodpecker. This is a woodpecker. Turkey. This is a turkey bird. Parakeet. This is a parakeet. Hawk. This is a hawk. Bulbul. This is a bulbul bird. Seagull. This is a seagull bird. Starling. This is a starling. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Cuckoo. This is a cuckoo. Dove. This is a dove. Spoonbill. This is a spoonbill. Red cardinal. This is a red cardinal. Snow bunting. This is a snow bunting. Stork. This is a stork. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. To subscribe my channel Astra Kids. Thank